Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to easily delete a resume on LinkedIn. Keeping your professional profile current is crucial, and sometimes that means removing outdated documents. We'll go over the simple, step-by-step process to ensure your LinkedIn profile accurately reflects your latest career information. This guide will help you manage your uploaded resumes effectively, making sure only the most relevant versions are available for potential employers to see. Let's get started and keep your profile polished. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your LinkedIn profile settings. First, click on your small profile picture, usually located in the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Once there, look for the Data Privacy section on the left-hand side. This is where we'll find the options related to your job application data. Now that you're in the Data Privacy section, scroll down until you find Job Application Settings. Click on this option to reveal a list of any resumes you've previously uploaded to LinkedIn. Take a moment to review the resumes displayed. When you've identified the specific resume you wish to remove, simply click the Delete button that appears right next to it. This action will initiate the removal process for that particular document from your saved applications. After clicking Delete, LinkedIn will typically ask you to confirm your decision. Make sure to confirm to permanently remove the selected resume from your profile. It's a good practice to then upload your most current resume, ensuring you're always presenting the best version of yourself to recruiters. Regularly reviewing and updating your LinkedIn profile, including your uploaded documents, helps maintain a professional and accurate online presence. This simple process keeps your job application materials fresh and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.